As part of the 5th anniversary celebration of National Education Policy (NEP) and Akhil Bharatiya Shiksha Samagam, Samagra Shiksha Manipur, in collaboration with Alimco, RBSK team of District Health Society and CRC Imphal, organized an early identification and medical assessment camp for children with special needs (CWSN) across 35 educational blocks of the state. A two-day AIDS and device distribution camp was conducted today at BRC Home for Irilbung block under ZEO Zone 2 in Imphal East District today. The camp catered to children with special needs between the ages of 3 and 18, focusing on early identification, assessment and support through the provision of assistive aids. The initiative is jointly organized by Samagra Shiksha Manipur, District Health Department (RBSK), Department of Social Welfare Manipur and Alimco. ZEO Zone 2 Coordinator Chakram Bimola informed that the camp aids to identify children who can be included in the mainstream education system and provide necessary educational support. For those with severe challenges, appropriate aids and devices are being provided to enhance mobility and communication. She mentioned that there are around 150 children with special needs under Irilbung block, with nearly 100 children expected to participate in today's event. During the camp, assistive devices such as wheelchairs, folding blind canes and CP chairs were distributed to the children.
Chahi ahom dagina chahi try pan bhog daliba ngang sing ase identification to thoga like la shu tambaya bana karam bano tambaya da karam bano habagi sak khangdok pamasu oire sigi marak sida angang sing je suina ba sing asibu mokoi da piba ya ba HN appliance sing ase Alimco gi site gi pullaga sillaga bijaba thoramne asi tawjari se hoji pi gi se CP angang sing da koina CP share se wheelchair piri tricycle piri adagi line angang da na white cane piri aduga disable angang dana koina MR kits piri moigi si test tawtho matungda adamana pijaba